KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto. Hello, viewer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you for watching my video. I don't take it for granted. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. But today I'll be working on this 2015 Nissan NV200. Funny enough, I have the same vehicle. So apparently there's a noise coming from the water pump. That's what I'm going to replace. I'm going to bring you guys and show you what it's going to take to do this job. You know, this job is not going to show you, I'm not showing you how to change the alternator, but I will show you it's easy when you take off the alternator to do this job. So it's not about replacing the alternator, it's changing the water pump. So let me bring you guys along and show you how to do this job. KG Auto, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Let's get it. The first thing I did was to disconnect the battery. You have to do that so you don't blow up yourself. So when you look down here, I took out the alternator. Like I said, it's not to show you how to change the alternator. Though it's very easy to take off the alternator. It's just two bolts. Actually, let me bring this down. The alternator. So it's just two bolts holding the alternator, which is just this 213 bolts. That's it. So when you lose it, this bolt doesn't come out completely, so you just leave it over there. You're gonna pry the alternator, the bolt is gonna come out with the alternator. So you have to take out the belt. The water pump is leaking now. Let me put something underneath. So the reason why I took out the alternator, I'm gonna explain to you. Please follow me. So there are 4 bolts that is holding the water pump. There's one right here, and there's one at the bottom there. They're all 10 bolts, but here is a kicker. When you get down here, you can see, follow me now, see right the bolt right there. So this bolt is coming from this side, so there's no way, because the alternator is sitting here, so there's no way they could have put this bolt through this side, so they end up putting this bolt through this side. So the bolts, 2 bolts going like so, and the other one going like so. So there's another one at the bottom there. See where I put my 10 flat? That's the other bolt right there. So when you want to do it, if you feel like maybe you can be able to do it without taking the alternator off, it's gonna be more difficult for you to do it. That's just my own point of view. So the alternator is just 2 bolts. Take off the belt, bada boom, connector. The alternator comes out from here. You know, you might have to do some other little thing, take off this, you know, and the alternator come out. Then you see the water pump right there. You go through there, lose that 2 bolts, and the alternator and the water pump, is right there. You take off that 4 bolts. You know, it's easy to do it this way. Then you might be thinking, oh, I'm gonna do a lot of work taking off the alternator. But trust me, if you do it like so, it will go faster for you. So I'm gonna go ahead now, take off those 2 10 bolts, and I'll bring out the water pump and show you what it looks like. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So like I said before, I see the other bolt now. I lose the one on the bottom, so we're gonna back up this bolt. The water pump is opening. So when you look at it, the alternator was there. If I didn't take it out, there's no way I can be able to do that. So it might look like a long process taking out the alternator, but I bet you that's the best way you're gonna be able. There's a bolt right there. This is the water pump. failed to mention, it's always a good thing to drain out the antifreeze from the radiator before you start doing that. All right, wait for the new one. So like I was saying previously, see, this is a water pump, right? So there is two bolts like this that is going like so. See, these two bolts is going like this. Then there is a bolt coming in from this side. See, that's why, which is coming from the back on the other side. I made a mistake. See, this one coming like this, I mean to say. See, then this one going like this, because the alternator, the water pump is threaded. See, there's a bolt thread right there, so that's the way it's threaded. So two bolt goes like this, and the other one comes from the back. So there's gonna be a little hose that's gonna be on the other side on this. You just take your time to, you know, when you use flats, you can be able to maneuver it and lose it. So that's what the water pump look like, and that's the alternator. But we're gonna be dealing with this for now. KG. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's the new water pump right there. There's a part number right there. And open it up, bring it out. The same thing like the other one. Up, that fall, screw right there. That's where this is where this guy is gonna go. And they come with this one come with a little gasket. By the way it looks, this gasket is not good now. Look at, you guys see that? Gasket is not good. So this one is like metal. So I might have to clean up this and use this again. I prefer this better than this. Okay, so the water pump is in right now. Like I said before, the video wasn't about how to change the alternator or how to replace the water pump. Water pump is in there. Everything went well. So I'm just gonna put the alternator and put a belt. So this is pretty much it on this episode. Hope you like the video. Please support your boy in any way you can. The video was just about the water pump, not the alternator. You can do the alternator, you can do the water pump. They are just the same at the same place right there. Please consider subscribing. I will appreciate that. I will see you on my next episode. KG. Shout out to Brooklyn. Love you all. Peace. I am gone.